Ever feel like the world of investing is speaking a different language, filled with jargon and complexities that leave you feeling more confused than empowered? You're not alone. For many, the idea of growing their wealth through investments feels like navigating a maze, unsure of which path to take or even where to begin. But what if there was a platform that aimed to demystify this process, offering a user-friendly experience without sacrificing the tools and features you need to make informed decisions? That's the question we're diving into today as we take a comprehensive look at Ally Bank Invest. Now, you might know Ally primarily for its high-yield savings accounts and straightforward banking services. But they've also stepped into the investment arena, promising a seamless integration of your banking and investment needs. In this full platform tour, we're going to peel back the layers and see if Ally Invest truly lives up to the hype. We'll explore everything from account types and trading platforms to research resources and fees, leaving no stone unturned so you can decide if it's the right fit for your financial journey. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's set the stage. Why is choosing the right investment platform so crucial? Well, it's more than just a place to park your money. Your investment platform acts as your gateway to the markets, influencing everything from the ease of executing trades to the quality of information you have at your fingertips. A clunky interface, high fees, or limited investment options can significantly hinder your progress and even discourage you from investing altogether. Conversely, a well-designed, transparent, and feature-rich platform can empower you to take control of your financial future with confidence. Ally Invest positions itself as a low-cost, accessible option for both beginners and experienced investors. They offer a range of investment products, including stocks, ETFs, options, and mutual funds. But the real question is, how well do they deliver on this promise of accessibility and functionality? Let's find out by taking a deep dive into the platform itself. When you first log into Ally Invest, the dashboard presents a clean and intuitive layout. It provides a clear overview of your account balances, portfolio performance, and any recent activity. You can easily navigate to different sections, such as trading, portfolio analysis, research, and account management. This user-friendly design is a significant plus, especially for those new to investing who might feel overwhelmed by more complex platforms. Let's start with the core of any investment platform, trading. Ally Invest offers two primary trading experiences, a web-based platform and a mobile app. The web platform is well organized, allowing you to customize your view with widgets that display the information most relevant to you. Placing a trade is straightforward. You can easily search for the security you're interested in, view real-time quotes, and access basic charting tools. The order entry ticket is clear and concise, allowing you to specify the order type, market, limit, stop loss, etc., quantity, and duration. For more active traders, Ally Invest also offers a downloadable platform called Ally Invest Live. This platform provides more advanced charting capabilities, technical indicators, and level 2 quotes. While it might be overkill for casual investors, it's a valuable addition for those who engage in more frequent trading and require more sophisticated tools for analysis. The mobile app mirrors much of the functionality of the web platform, allowing you to manage your account, monitor your portfolio, and execute trades on the go. The app is well designed and easy to navigate, ensuring a seamless experience whether you're checking your investments during your commute or placing a trade from your phone. Beyond just trading, research is a critical component of successful investing. Ally Invest provides a decent selection of research tools and resources. You'll find market news and analysis from reputable sources, as well as company profiles, financial statements, and analyst ratings. While their research offerings might not be as extensive as some of the larger brokerage firms, they provide a solid foundation for conducting your own due diligence. One particularly useful feature is their integrated probability calculator for options trading. This tool helps you visualize the likelihood of an option contract expiring in the money, which can be invaluable for understanding the risks and potential rewards associated with options. Now, let's talk about fees, a factor that can significantly impact your investment returns over time. Ally Invest stands out for its low-cost structure. They offer commission-free trading for stocks and ETFs, which is a major advantage compared to platforms that still charge per-trade fees. Options trades have a small per-contract fee, which is competitive within the industry. Mutual funds on the platform are also generally no-load, meaning you won't pay a sales commission when you buy or sell them. This focus on low fees makes Ally Invest an attractive option for cost-conscious investors, especially those who trade frequently or invest in mutual funds. Ally Invest offers a variety of account types to suit different investment goals, including individual and joint brokerage accounts, traditional and Roth IRAs, SEP, and simple IRAs for small businesses, and even custodial accounts for minors. This broad range of account options allows investors to manage various aspects of their financial lives under one roof. One of the standout features of Ally Invest is its seamless integration with Ally Bank's other services. If you already have a savings or checking account with Ally Bank, managing your investments becomes incredibly convenient. You can easily transfer funds between your bank and investment accounts, view all your balances in one place, and streamline your overall financial management. This integration is a significant advantage for existing Ally Bank customers. Another aspect worth noting is Ally Invest's robo-advisor service, called Ally Invest Managed Portfolios. This service provides automated investment management for a low advisory fee. You answer a questionnaire about your risk tolerance and financial goals, and Ally's algorithm creates and manages a diversified portfolio of ETFs for you. This can be a great option for beginners or those who prefer a hands-off approach to investing. The low advisory fee makes it a cost-effective way to access professional portfolio management. Customer support is another important consideration when choosing an investment platform. Ally Invest offers customer support via phone, email, and live chat. While some user reviews mention occasional wait times, overall, their support is generally considered helpful and responsive. Having multiple channels for assistance ensures that you can get your questions answered in a way that's convenient for you. In terms of security, Ally Invest employs industry-standard measures to protect your account and personal information, including two-factor authentication and encryption. As a member of SIPC, Securities Investor Protection Corporation, your investments are also protected up to $500,000. Including $250,000 for cash claims, in the event of a brokerage firm failure. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.